The oak openings was a fairly desolate place, back in the 1930s and 40s, and there was a kind of a cry out to plant trees here at oak openings to kind of stabilize the shifting sands. These pines were planted in an effort to kind of calm those shifting sands. None of the pines that were planted here at oak openings are native to the oak openings. Jack pine, red pine, Austrian pine, white pine. They were all planted in a spacing to be managed over time. We've been doing pine management and restoration here at oak openings for probably the last 15 years or so. We have a lot of stands that are in the state of decline and collapse. Those are all species that are shorter-lived species. We're trying to market that wood before it's not marketable, and it increases our restoration costs. We are going to try to maintain some of our white pine legacy stands for user enjoyment. The oak openings region is a globally impaired habitat where we have a long list of rare species that call oak openings their home. We have had great success in some of these areas that we've restored and where we've removed the red pines, and the habitat has responded wonderfully. Ultimately, that is our goal, to restore high quality oak openings habitat.